Welcome to the Qureshi production. Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest upload from our channel.
Hi guys, today I will tell you the 5 countries who will pay you to live there. It is always difficult to move to the other country and get settled, therefore you always need lots of money. Although there are numerous people who would love to explore and live in new places, many do not have the funds. However, there are some countries who will pay you to live there. While there are prerequisites in some cases, most countries offer a great opportunity for a new lifestyle and culture. For instance, some countries will lower your bills and taxes for making the move. Other countries provide prompt financial incentives to finance your startup adventure. Guys, before we get started, if you're new on our channel, then subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for the upcoming videos. Here are just a few to give you an idea of the numerous opportunities. Number 1. Canada. If you just graduated from college and are intrigued by Saskatchewan, this offer could be ideal. The town is offering tuition reimbursements for amounts up to 20,000 Canadian dollars. This is the equivalent of 15,956 US dollar. To qualify, you must be a college graduate in 2010 or after. Compensation is presented in the form of non-refundable tax credit and is paid out in segments up to 10 years. Number 2. ChillI. If you are looking to begin a startup business, then ChillI may be ideal. They will pay you $50,000 to begin your startup there. On the other hand, your startup needs to have the potential of becoming a huge global success. During the first 6 months you have to reside in ChillI. In addition to the funds, you will be granted a 1-year work visa and a list of business contacts. The benefit is that everything is in English. Number 3. Iceland. This country wants to attract worldwide entrepreneurs. If you feel that your startup has a large growth probability, you can apply for funding with Enterprise Ireland. If and when accepted, you are rewarded with thousands of funds and the opportunity to live and work in Ireland. Keep in mind, Ireland is renowned for its deluxe standard of living and low tax rates for new businesses. Number 4. New Zealand. Although you do not get paid actual money, the town of Paitangata offers a new home with a 4th acre of land for $230,000 New Zealand dollars, NZD. This is equal to $165,000 US dollar. Generally, these same house market for about $394,482 United States dollars. This is due to a shortage of people in an area that has approximately 1,000 jobs in that region. Number 5. United States. Since the economic crash of the housing market during the late 2000s, numerous cities have huge incentives to buy homes. For instance, Detroit, Michigan has the Live Midtown and Live Downtown programs that provide money for rent, home improvements and a home. Other U.S. cities with similar incentives include Harmony, MN, Niagara Falls, NY, most of Kansas and all of Alaska. Guys, I hope you like this informative video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for the upcoming videos. Thank you.
Welcome to the Qureshi production. Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest upload from our channel.